बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एडवांटेजेस ऑफ द फ्लो चार्ट। कि जो फ्लो चार्ट हम बना रहे हैं इसका कोई फ़ायदा भी होता है। वो अगर फ़ायदा है तो वो कौन सा है? तो देखिए जी, इसके एडवांटेजेस क्या हैं, मेन पॉइंट्स इसके क्या हैं, फ्लो चार्ट बनाने से क्या फ़ायदा हो सकता है एक प्रोग्रामर को। तो वो कुछ पॉइंट्स हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, इसको देखिएगा। पहले लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, फ्लो चार्ट हेल्प्स इन एनालाइजिंग द प्रॉब्लम। मतलब जो प्रॉब्लम है, एक्चुअल जो प्रोग्रामिंग है, ये एक ऐसी अप्रोच है जिसके ज़रिए प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई किया जाता है और फिर उसको एक सोल्यूशन प्रोवाइड किया जाता है। तो इट मीन्स कि देयर इज समवेयर प्रॉब्लम, यू हैव आइडेंटिफाइड, नाउ यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द सोल्यूशन। सो flowchart will definitely help the programmer in analyzing the problem. Analyzing में क्या होता है कि you can decompose the problem into simple parts and even you can individually solve each part easily. So flowchart helps in analyzing the problem. Number one step. Second one is the flowchart helps in arranging the logical requirements. Once the problem has been identified, the next phase is there in order to arrange the requirements, what is required, what is needed in order to complete the program, in order to write it. So there is a complete list of the logical requirements. So definitely flowchart is a sequence. It's a sequential structures we are making from algorithm. We are making with the help of algorithm. Actually the algorithm has been decided and now you are just representing with some kind of special symbols. So the flowchart is also in the sequence. So it means flowchart helps in arranging the logical requirements. Logical requirements mean what is really necessary, what is really needed in order to make a program. So the flowchart helps in arranging the logical requirements. तो आप यहाँ से logical जो requirements हैं उसको आप arrange कर सकते हो. Number the next third step is the flowchart helps in understanding the logic of an algorithm. Mean there is an algorithm which was made before the flowchart. So the flowchart helps in understanding the logic of an algorithm. So what was the algorithm was all about, what is actually want to say, what is actually going to perform, what the algorithm is going to provide us the answer, the output. So flowchart also helps in understanding the logic of an algorithm. And the next point is it helps in debugging the program. Debugging, you already know that it's a process of finding and removing errors from a program. So flowchart also helps in debugging the program. And it means if there is an error in somewhere in the program, you can find out that error because there is a complete step. And if you have written any step in a wrong logic, it means that flowchart will definitely help you to pinpoint that one. So it will identify that point that you have not written it correctly. So the flowchart also helps in debugging the program. If there is errors in the program, that you can also find out with the help of your flowchart. If you're looking comprehensively and understanding the logic and the rhythm of the flowchart, then you can find out the errors in your program as well. Okay, let's move to the next slide, and that is it helps in coding the program. So the next step is next actually advantage is it helps in coding the program. Coding is actually the process of writing a program in any particular high level languages. For example, if you are using the GW Basic, you are going to write the program in GW Basic, in a C language, C++ language, or any Java and whatsoever the language that you're going to use. So you have to write the program over there. So it helps in coding the program. इसकी मदद से हम प्रोग्राम जो है उसको कोड कर सकते हैं, उसको लिख सकते हैं. तो ये आपको हेल्प कर रहा है. And the next is flowchart also helps in testing the program's logic. You can even test the program's logic by providing a sample data. It means that you want to test either your flowchart is working properly or not. It means that you have to provide a proper data, a sample data, and then you can check either it's working or not. It means if you are providing the right data, the right input, and the right process would be there, it means the right output should be there. If you are not getting the right output, it means there is some kind of an error. So it also help in identifying the errors, debugging them, fixing them, and even to test that program even. So you can test the program with the help of the flowchart by providing sample data. Even you can debug the program and the coding these steps. Next point is the program maintenance becomes easy with the help of a flowchart. Flowcharts, maintenance of the program. Actually, you are going to make a program, and maintenance is something that you have to implement the program where it's to be used. So in order to make it implemented, program maintenance becomes easy with the help of a flowchart. Flowchart also helps in programmer in documentations as well. So it means that whenever you're just going to you are going to make a program, it means that documentation is the next phase. So whenever you're going to write the program, the procedure was written before and after and these kind of thing, it means that these are the documentation. So documentation क्या होता है, यानी जिसमें आप अपना प्रोग्राम जो था उसकी पूरी लॉजिक आप लिखते हो, एल्गोरिदम का भी लिखते हो, आप फ्लो चार्ट के बारे में लिखते हो, आप यूज़र मैनुअल बनाते हो, तब वो जो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन बननी है वो इस फ्लो चार्ट की बेस पे बनना है. यानी आप यूँ कह सकते हो कि फ्लो चार्ट ऐसा एक पॉइंट है जिससे पीछे वाले आने वाले स्टेप है उसको भी इसने हेल्प किया और जो नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स आ रहे हैं उसको भी ये हेल्प कर रहा है. तो ये है इसके अंदर. तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि आपको ये चीज़ जो बयान की गई है इसकी आपको समझ लगी होगी. अगर आपको कोई भी पॉइंट किसी हवाले से अगर कोई चीज़ आपको जो है वो क्लियर नहीं हो पाया तो हमें कमेंट्स में लिखिए और जानिए फिर उनके सॉल्यूशंस जो भी हम उसका अपनी तरफ से बेहतर जो भी आपको आंसर प्रोवाइड कर सकते हुए वो हम ज़रूर करेंगे आपको. और जो नहीं जानते वो फिर मिलजुल कर कोई ना कोई उसका सॉल्यूशन हम फिर भी निकाल ही लेंगे. तो वीडियो देखने का बहुत शुक्रिया आपका और अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.